Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today we are in the bedroom. We are going to do a bedroom refresh. I hope all is well with you and your family. As for me, we are doing great. I am super happy to be here with you today. So if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to you, my beloved Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by one more time today. You guys already know I like to use white sheets, so to make my bed, I'm using white sheets. You can get these from Amazon, Home Goods, wherever you want. And I'm using this thing from Amazon to tuck in the sheet under the mattress. That helps a lot, definitely protect my nails. On the bed, you guys, I'm gonna be using this beautiful, oh my goodness, glamorous quilted sheet, of course from my store. I love it. What a beautiful piece, you guys. It came with 2 shims and they are huge. Love the set, love the quality. I will definitely call it an investment piece. It will last for a very long time. But you guys, that's not the only quilted sheet and duvet cover that I have. I have plenty of other ones and all of them are on sale. They will be a perfect gift for Mother's Day or for yourself. We work hard, we gotta play hard as well, right? Oh, look at this blue one. Love it. What do you guys think about it? I think it is very special. For my throw pillow covers, I'm gonna be using these ones, 4 of them. These are pillowcases also from my store. Love them as well. So luxurious, so beautiful. It has the nice little bright accent gold. I think they are 24 by 24. You can also find some insert at the store as well. Today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Dossier is the website that I go to get my favorite designer set at affordable price. And today's scent, you guys, is Amberry Vanilla, inspired by D Black Opium by YSL. Guys, it smells so good. It's been a while since I smelled Black Opium and it brings me back to that smell, you know, like it's like all of this beautiful goodness come back to me. It smells really, really good, you guys. I love it. It is a luxurious smell, and berry vanilla is a good one. One of my favorite. These are the notes: mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes are cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. Oh my goodness. Guys, go check it out. It is a good one. I'm gonna leave the link for the dossier website in the description box, and with a coupon code for you to save more money. Happy smelling good, y'all. Guys, I got new nightstands. They are from Amazon. I really like them, but I love them a little bit more when I saw them at the store. The gold's supposed to be a little bit brighter, but it's okay. They're still looking cute, especially next to the bed. You guys can see that a little bit later, but both of them came broken. Amazon was kind enough to refund me the money for both of them, so I had to improvise a little bit. But you guys, I'll talk about them a little bit more in details, maybe on a different video, but links for them will be in the description box. Also, if you want to know more about them, please let me know. These are super cute lamps, also from Amazon. They are super small, but I love them. I love the technology. I'm gonna show you that a little bit later. For my vase, I'm using this super cute ginger jar, of course from my store, white and gold, so luxurious, so pretty, very modern ginger jar. I love the flexibility of them. For my flowers, I'm using this beautiful blush hydrangea from my store. I am using only one branch, and as you can see, it will be totally full. I love them because they look really good and feel good. They do not look full at all. This is what I wanted to show you guys with the lamp. You just tap it to turn it on and off or increase the light level, should I say. And it came with 2 USB ports. Really cool. And on this side, I am using the same ginger jar. It's the medium size. The other one was the smaller size, and then I have a larger size. They are just super cute, you know. On the bench, I am using one of my throws. It goes so well with the quilted sheet and the rest of the decor in the bedroom. Truly love it. On the left seat, I am going to have 2 of my Glam pillows. These are pillow covers as well. I think they are 20 inches these. On top of the bed, I added my small mirrors for my home. We are done. Let's look at the finished product. Okay, you guys, be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about my bedroom refresh. As for me, I really like it. I love the color. I think it is so beautiful, so glam. I love the quilted sheet. What a beautiful glamorous piece. But what do you guys think about it? Of course, links for everything from my store will be in the description box, including the link for my store. Be sure to check it out. Also, remember to check out those here. The link for the website will be in the description box, and remember to use my code Dalou10 to save an additional 10%. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and remember before you leave to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye bye.